Hello guys. So guys, I'll be going out with my dog for a walk to see people's reaction. Look, they have. So he's going out to see people's reaction to see what they'll say. Hey, guys, I saw some group of boys playing ball. So they just see that reaction. Come, look boy. Before I go to them, there's a goat I saw here. A potty. And there's a dog, a local dog. See. So guys, so the dog wanted to attack the goat, but the goat was so scared. So and also saw a local dog, which known as a cookie. Actually saw a local dog. Duke boy. Yeah, hey, the dog was so scared, hiding. Boy, see. The way my dog concentrated, I was just looking at the dog. But my dog said, let him just let her be. Let's go. Come. You and this goat. Hey, sorry about that. You want chop goat? Do you want to eat? Play ball, play ball, play ball. I won't watch. They play, they play. He's watching ball. Duke, Duke, watch mouth. What? Why you done? I hold up for chat there. Watching match. Duke is watching ball, but he's not happy with them. So guys, over here, a lot of people were happy to see him. Some were snapping, recording, some wanted to touch him, but they were scared. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and comment.